when new data threw a curveball. Crucially, although temperatures on the Earth's surface were rising, satellite measurements of temperatures in the lower troposphere showed a distinct cooling. All the computer models showed that the Earth should be warming in the lower troposphere, and since it was cooling, the models had to be wrong. But all the other evidence for a warming Earth was clear and compelling. Ice was rapidly melting in Greenland, glaciers were retreating, and Antarctic ice sheets were breaking away. By 1997 there was more than enough evidence for the world to take concerted action, or at least try to. That year I was sent to Kyoto to cover the Framework Convention on Climate Change, which resulted in what became known as the Kyoto Protocol. Compared to the early 1990s, I was struck by how a lot of attitudes had changed. Most of the skeptics had become convinced by the increasing weight of evidence, and the majority opinion was that climate change was real and that man-made carbon gases played a crucial role. Then in 2005, scientists in California reanalyzed the 1992 data that showed cooling in the lower troposphere, and they found a crucial error. The orbit of the satellite taking the temperature readings had degraded. It had started life taking temperatures over the equator at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but by the late 1990s it was taking the readings at 5 o'clock. Hardly surprising, then, that the satellite had been recording a decrease in temperature over the years. The discovery knocked out the final piece of evidence that contradicted global warming. The computer models had been right all along. At last, the models of how the climate should be performing with increased carbon dioxide matched how it was performing. Even most skeptics now accepted that the Earth was warming.